How important is free play? Hi everyone, I'm Kavita Rajput, a counseling psychologist and a child counselor. Today I want to talk about something really very important. Why children need more free play instead of being sent to multiple structured classes. As parents, we all want best for our children. We want them to excel in studies, sports, music and everything possible. So we enroll them in back-to-back classes believing that keeping them busy will secure their future. But have you ever stopped to ask, are they really enjoying it? Are they learning the way they should? I have been working with children for the past 30 years. And let me share a quick story. I was working with an 8-year-old girl who had classes from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. every evening, tuitions, music class and then homework. I asked her, what do you love doing the most? And she said, nothing. I just want to lie down and play with my dolls. But I don't have time. That really made me think. Another time, a 10-year-old boy came to me feeling anxious and tired. He said, I just want to go outside and play with my friends. But always I have something to do. This is happening more and more. Kids today are busy but not necessarily happy. Friends, play is a child's natural way of understanding the world. When children play freely, without structured lessons, without adult directions, they learn the most valuable life skills. A child building a tower with blocks is learning problem solving and patience. A group of kids playing hide and seek are developing social skills, learning to manage their emotions, understand consequences, cooperate and develop self-regulation. A child digging in the mud is exploring science and creativity without even realizing it. On the other hand, when every hour is planned, kids don't get the chance to explore their own interests. A 9-year-old boy constantly attending extra classes may lose interest in learning altogether. Well, I'm not saying structured activities are bad. Of course, they have their place. Such structured learning is great, but let's not overschedule children to the point where they miss out on spontaneous, unstructured fun. Remember, balance is the key. Instead of filling every hour with classes, let's ask, does my child have time to daydream? Does my child have time to get bored? Does my child have time to just play for fun? Because in those moments of free play, real learning happens. So next time you think of adding another class, let's make sure they also have time to run and jump, imagine and even get bored, because in those quiet moments of boredom, creativity begins. Let them breathe, explore and grow in their own natural way. So parents, try this. Allow at least 1 to 2 hours of free play daily without gadgets. Facilitate opportunities for children to play together, whether with siblings, friends or other children, both indoors and outdoors. You will be amazed at how much they learn from it. So parents, hope you find this video helpful. I would really love to hear your thoughts about this. Thank you and goodbye.